Hello, everyone. When it's time to create and prepare a newsletter with photos, press releases, or multimedia materials, you often have to leave the archive and switch over to another email marketing software. With MomaPIX, however, you can manage everything from a single place. The promotion module integrates the creation and sending of newsletters directly within the platform, simplifying your work and reducing the number of steps. Let's see how to do it. First, I carefully select from the archive the specific image collections or videos that I want to promote. At this point, I access the promotion panel and the email editor, where I can review the presentation of the content. For example, by organizing the photos in a lightbox according to their respective services, or by displaying the covers of the services. From here, I can also personalize and customize the email layout and save templates to reuse them in the future. Furthermore, the module allows you to send presentations and download links by setting the link duration, the number of allowed downloads, applying a watermark, or enabling the download of individual files or zip packages. On the left, I have convenient access to all individual users or mailing list groups, so I can very easily choose whom to send my communication to, whether those are internal or external contacts. Additionally, it is possible to schedule a delayed send. This is useful, for example, for a company working with foreign markets that wants to ensure the newsletter reaches the American client's desk in the morning during their working hours rather than at night. And once the campaign has been sent, I can measure its effectiveness directly from the reports. Here I find the list of all the newsletters sent, with an overview of the number of recipients, opens, clicks, and the delivery status of emails that were sent or bounced. By selecting a newsletter, I can view its content and delve deeper into the data. Open rate, click rate, the most clicked links, the most active users, and even the exact time of sending, opening, and clicking. In summary, the promotion module of MomaPIX allows you to manage newsletters, marketing campaigns, and content distribution directly from your archive, with tools that combine flexibility, control, and performance measurement. A single tool to organize, promote, and analyze your communication. See you in the next video.